Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day. Let's unroll our mats and unlock the potential of our young learners today. Take a look at these simple yoga poses and join in the fun. Star pose. Stand with your legs wide apart and arms stretched out to the sides, creating a star shape with your body. Breathe in and out while you maintain the pose. Child's pose. Kneel down, sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward, resting your forehead on the ground. Tree pose. Stand tall and balance on one leg while placing the other foot on your inner thigh. Stretch your arms out like branches. Now switch the legs and repeat. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach and gently lift your chest off the ground using your hands for support. Butterfly pose. Sit tall, soles of your feet together. Place your hands on your ankle and flap your legs like butterfly wings.